Patrick, come here. Watch Moxie, because I'm going to try to play at her. She didn't do anything. What a butt. Like she knows she's on camera.
She's camera shy.
Keep watching Moxie.
He's got a lazy eye, and I can never tell if he's looking directly at me or... Probably looking at both.